Well, I think today is a great example of bringing together lots of different people, and it's great to see so many here today. So from the police to family support workers to voluntary agencies and partners, and they will be the infrastructure around how communities come together. It's not set in steel. We've got to look at what that process will look like, and it could be a hub, it could be a method of communication, it could just be a very light touch infrastructure. But by bringing people together that are already active within the community, we can then start to address individuals and individual needs and what needs to be done. So no one solution is going to be the same. What we're doing here today in Thatcham might look very different to what's already been discussed in Hungerford and Lambourne, to be discussed in other communities going forward. So only the people that are regularly in contact with the residents of Thatcham really know what some of the requirements may be, and we don't know them all, and this is why the communication is really key. So very much today is about the start of that process, gathering those ideas together, coming up with a framework of a plan, and then taking that forward into the actual communities themselves and seeing if our ideas fit. And one of the things I'm quite key about, it shouldn't be us telling people what it's going to look like. What we need to do is actually get an engagement process together, and this is the first start of that engagement process. So lots of people here from Thatcham today feeding into that process, but we need to then capture the voices of the residents of Thatcham.